the fermentation had stopped completely because I'm trying to do a sugar wash just using baker's yeast and using ambient temperature. So I was experimenting with basically like 16 degrees Celsius just to see if it would actually do it on a slow, like a low temperature. It stopped completely. So I put in half a litre of boiling water and I made up some fresh yeast, added that to it, and it's now woken up and stopped and woken up. So it is still going. It just needed a bit of a kick in the ass. I'm still trying to work out whether it's worth getting stuff like turbo yeast, but I don't think that would make any difference to the temperature. I think what I need to do is to turn on the air cupboard, which I don't want to do. It's over 20 Celsius outside. I was going to take it outside and put a plastic bag on it and let the heat of the sun, but the amount of grief carrying it in and out every time, a 25-litre container. But it's had a week and it needs another week probably. So it's going to be more efficient to actually use turbo yeast because it only takes 3 or 4 days. Whereas doing it with this kind of yeast at room temperatures, you're talking 1 to 2 weeks. So yeah, that can go back into the air cupboard. May actually go and say fuck it and just go and buy some turbo yeast. It's an 80-mile round trip to get to a brewing shop. But that's kicking away quite nicely now. So yeah, I'll give that another week. So it'll be 2 weeks fermenting with just standard cheapy brewer's yeast. Gloop gloop gloop. A happy gloop.